Greetings, 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 everyone. Akwaaba, welcome back to my channel. This is your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, your niece, your auntie, your sister, your cousin, and your friend, and all that is good. Welcome back to my channel. This recording tonight is about the night sounds here in Kokrobeita, Ghana, West Africa. I'm right here on the ocean, not directly on the ocean, but maybe like a 2 or 3 minute walk away from the actual beach. Yeah, but I wanted you all to hear the sounds of the night here in Kokrobeita, Ghana, West Africa. So if you listen closely, you will hear 3 sounds, maybe 4. But the sounds that you are looking for or looking to hear, can you hear the ocean? Can you hear the birds? Can you hear the cricket? There is 3 different sounds going on right now. The sound of the ocean, waves, the sound of the crickets or cicadas, and the sound of the birds. That's why I'm quiet. So maybe you all can hear the same sounds that I hear, but maybe not as clear because this is a recording. That's out on the patio. Balcony. Yeah. Keep the air window open, the air flows through. I got all the windows open in the room here. That window. And then that window. And then the patio window. But anyway, I just wanted you all to hear the sound of the night here in Kokrobeita, Ghana, West Africa. I'm sleepy. So I've been to bed. But the ocean is awful loud tonight. Yeah. But anyway, that's it. Talk to y'all later. Peace and blessings. You hear the sounds of the chickens as well. The sound of the ocean is very loud tonight. I'm getting up out the bed. Walk over here to the window. I'm upstairs tonight. I'm usually downstairs, but tonight I'm upstairs. You see the sky? Wait, let me turn back off the light. There's two different kinds of lights on. That light right there and that light right there. So I'm gonna turn off the light. Oh man, as soon as I turn off the light, the cricket stopped. Now the cricket is starting back again. This is at night, you guys. Out here in Kokrobeita, Ghana, West Africa. Listen to the night sounds, the sounds of the night. Yeah. You can hear if you listen closely, you can hear the sound of the ocean. You can hear the sound of the birds. You can hear the sound of the crickets. And you can hear the sound of the chickens, which is the birds. Well, another type of bird. Look up in the sky. Oh, I just sat back on the bed. The bed is kind of squeaky, but I'm going to be quiet so you can hear the sound of the night, and especially the ocean. Well, I think the cricket is kind of louder than the ocean right now. Yep. Okay, you guys, I think I made this video too long, so I'm about to say good night. And, well, I was going to say I'm going to go to sleep, but I'm not. I'm going to watch a movie. Yeah. All right. Talk to you all later. I love you guys. Y'all take care of yourself. Stay encouraged. Think positive. Stay very, very vigilant and mindful of everything. Everything, you guys. Everything from A to Z. And I love you guys. All right, talk to y'all later. Assalamualaikum. I'm whispering because it's at night. Everybody's asleep, I think. I don't know. But everyone is in their room. I'm in my room, you know. So I don't want to talk too loud because all of the windows are open in this room right here. And, you know, at night, your voice carries, right? So sound waves, you know, carry on the weight. Well, anyway, don't let me go into that. I'll talk to y'all later. Until next time, Africa to the world. Straight up. I haven't said that in a while, huh? All right. Love you guys. Peace and blessings. Assalamu alaikum. Shalom, shalom. Abarigani. Peace and love. Hey, right on.